Just delicious with butter. But you know, this tops it. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I'm giving away a bit of a trade secret. How to make sweet British scones without butter. Now this is an easy recipe. All you do is stir, mix, bake. Simple. In here, mayonnaise. In here, milk. And we want to be going in there with a little splashing of vanilla. And we're just going to give that a mix. So right from the start, I'll tell you why it works. All the fats are in the mayonnaise. The fats, the oils, the egg, everything is in a good mayonnaise. That is our wet mix. Bring in our dry mix. This is self-raising flour. Baking powder, sugar, salt, fruit. I've got mixed golden raisins and dark raisins. Give it a little stir in. You ready for this? All that in there. Oven on about 200 degrees. You want a baking tray. Stick some parchment paper on. Line it. All that in there. Now we're not over mixing it, look. We're just actually cutting it in with this spoon. That is all we're doing, and then we're going to get our hand in and bring it together. Hand in there, nice and gently bring it in. Now it goes without saying, if you, I mean this is okay, but if you think your mix is too wet, you add flour. If it's too dry, add a bit of milk. Okay, it's a straightforward one. A tiny bit of flour on your surface. Drop out your mix. And we want to be patting this down to about 2.5 centimeters. Just bring it together. It doesn't matter if it's got cracks in. Character, come on. Okay, we're in there. Take your cutter. Take your scone on your lined tin. Bring your mix in. Don't overwork it. Nice and steady. Back in there. And you always get an end one. Don't worry about it. Just try and make it the same round. It's not going to come up to the same height because it's an oddball. So take your cutter and shove it in there. Oh, it might actually. We might have enough. On there. So there you are. That's straightforward. How long did that take? Probably 5 minutes. Okay. On there. Brush on the top with some milk. We want to get a nice colouring on there. Now don't worry if the milk all runs down the side. You can brush it all down there if you want. Okay, there we have it. There's our scones. We're going to stick those in the oven. 12 to 15 minutes. Job done. Come on. Okay, bit of colour on the scones. Let's get them out. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. Let's just have a minute and let's just put them on there. Come on. We need to cool them down. Come on, how do you enjoy your scones? I like mine with butter. I like mine with jam and cream. Look at that. Quality scone. Oh yeah. Oh. Delicious as is. Come on, I've got to get another one. In there, we'll have butter on one and we'll have cream and jam on another. On there, butter. Oh, come on. Oh, on there. More butter. Oh, look at that. Now, do you jam the top or do you jam the bottom and the top? Jam on there. And of course, jam on there. A nice blobbing of cream on there. Oh, how do you eat yours? Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, look, we're in. Do you eat the buttered one first or do you eat the cream and jam? Well, let's have a nibble on the buttered one. Absolutely fantastic. Sensational flavour. It doesn't taste like mayonnaise, but it keeps it moist. It's got that lovely sweetness through there, but not sweet with sugar or anything. That is sensational. Just delicious with butter. But you know, this tops it. But someone will say, no, it doesn't top it. You want clotted cream. Look, cream and jam, clotted cream and jam. Who's bothered? Come on, we're in. Oh, let's get covered in this stuff. Might have to grab a spoon. Let's smear some of this on here. Are we ready for this? Oh, look at this. Oh, you can't tell me you can't enjoy afternoon tea. Perfect scones, or scones, depending where you come from. Perfect scones, absolutely delicious, moist, very flavourful. Oh, it's a great flavour. And with jam and cream, it takes it over the top. That is magic. You've got to try this. You've got to tell your friends how easy it is to make British tea time scones. Sweet scones with mayonnaise. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. And we're going to catch you in the next video. They are delicious. I've got to go for this one. Come on.